Howdy, dear friends of Zarana DIY. Hope you're doing so well. As you see, today we are going to make an elegant collar with each other that is a nice accessory. You can use it on any dress or blouse that you have in your home. We need 2 or 3 meter of lines, better to use number 30. And also we need 4 beads inside our line. As you see, I turn back to the first bead of the line and I just cross the other line with that. For the second flower and for the flowers after that, I just need 1 bead in the left-handed line, 1 bead in the right-handed line, and the one that is the second one is cross. I put it in one of my lines. I turn back to that bead with the same line, and also I cross with the line through the hook that is made. As you see, we used number 8 for this first row, and now we use number 10 for the second row. As we go on, we don't go through the first flower. We just start from the second flower. As you see, they are not woven from the first or the last flower. This is the only point that you should keep in your mind. As you see, the second row is made with number 10, and we need 2 beads in our upper line, and the last one is cross. For the first one, I used 3 beads. The last one is cross. For the other one, up to the end of the row, I used 2 beads, and the last one is cross. You should just continue in this way and complete this row with the number 10. You can have 2 or 3 rows with number 10, but I just used 1 row because it was a collar for a child and I didn't want it to be so broad. But if you make it for yourself, you can use 2 or 3 rows with number 8, 2 or 3 rows with number 10, and 2 or 3 rows with number 12 or 16, as you like it. As you see, we turn to the last one of number 12. You can cut your line here, or as you see with the line, you can move through the beads and go through to the bead that is not the last one, but one left to the last one. And as you see, I just go through the beads until that I get to the bead that I exactly need to start. And here I just adopt number 12, and with the right-handed I used 3 beads. As you see, I put 3 beads in my line. The last one is cross, and I just continue again for the upper line, that is the right line here. I just adopt 2 beads. The last one is cross, and I just move through the hole that is made, or the hook that is made with the other line that is the left-handed line. And I just continue until that this row is finished, and this is your DIY collar. Please share it to your friend if you like this, and ask me any question in the comments if you have any. See you, bye.